black sheep, do I have some wool? No sir, no sir, cause Lay snatched it all. What's up y'all, it's your boy Raffy and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. So, in this video we're gonna watch Lay's sheep. Ba black sheep, do I have some wool? No sir, cause Lay snatched it all. But yeah, if you've been sticking around this channel long enough, y'all already know how I feel about Lay. If you don't, then the reaction to his what's it called? I Need You is up in the eye box above my seemingly tiny ass head, but really is big and it's huge and it's like the size of Jupiter. But yeah, I ain't got nothing to say about Lay other than he snatches the f out of me and I can't take it. No. I'm even looking at the thumbnail right now and they do the little towels like sheep heads in the little thumbnail. I can see it. I know this video is going to be hilarious and I know this video is going to be a problem and I can see subtitles, so don't forget to follow the subtitles. So let's full screen that shit and get into it right now. Let's go. Whoa, is he rapping? Okay, sorry. That was slow for me to react to that. I'm gonna rewind that back because I was getting YouTube notifications just now, you know. Love y'all. Thank you for commenting and yeah and all that. But yeah, we're gonna rewind that because I had to close some notifications. So yeah, let's go. Lay to sheep. Okay, so this boy went. Oh, whoa, you're gonna leave what in China? Wait. So I heard Lay is claiming he's the sheep for China. He's the sheep for China. Took the grape to China. Real bad tree. But he mixed with China. Yes! Oh, I'm sorry I had to do that. He's the sheep for China. Hey! Whoa! Are you hearing this beat? Since when though? Since when I didn't know Lay was ratchet like that. Whoa, turn it up. Look at the dancing, look at the dancing! You put it on who now? Whoa. He said he's gonna put it on me. No. That ain't gonna happen, boy. That is not gonna happen, but we gonna continue. Dance, I'm dead already. It's only 33 seconds. Watch the outfit! Look at the dance! Let me shut up! Yo, look at the f***ing shoelaces in his hair, yes! Like this, Lay. No. What's you know? This is so different to his last EP last year. He's coming in hard with his shit. Yes. I didn't know Lay was a party animal like that. Yo. Okay. Watch him dance. Come on. Bust your move. Come on. You better come forward with that choreography. Yes. Watch your body pop. No. I didn't know he was ratchet like this. What? Watch him body pop his ass with this video. Like, no. Look at the shoelaces in his hair, though. Oh my goodness. Alright, okay, I see you, Lay. I see you don't want to be called cute no more, so that's why you did this, right? I see you. Yes, you don't want to be called cute no more. You want to be called a badass motherfucker. That's what you want to be called. Yes, you badass. You happy now? Yo, he's sitting on the scaffolding. He don't play games, y'all. He's seeing this shit. Are you seeing these subtitles? Don't play. I'm not playing with you either, boy. I ain't playing with your punk ass either. No, I can't. Yes! Look at the water just flying hang out in my bathtub. No. Oh. This video, though. Yeah, she better dance. Yeah, she better dance. Hey. Come through. Lisa China Sheep, yes. Well, out the pink Lamborghini, just the base to China. Put the base to China, just the base to China. Move bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real big, sparkle bricks to China, yes! You a China sheep, come through. I can't believe it. No, nah. I'm sinking in the bathtub now. Nah. I'm sorry, this video got me so hot, I have to take this shit off. Take it off, just take it off. Take the glasses off too, since I'm done watching the video with my blind ass. Alright guys, so that was Lay's Sheep. But no, for real, I didn't know Lay was ratchet like that. I didn't know he was street like that. I didn't know he was hood like that. I didn't know he was like that. Like, oh, okay, I see you. Someone does not want to be called cute no more. I can see it now. Cause you know, Lay be really active when it comes to seeing people's reactions to his music videos, and he gets a lot of he's cute this, he's cute that, and every time that word cute is mentioned, his face twists up. He even tried to kiss his teeth one time. I was like, oh, what do you know about kissing your teeth, boy? Okay. Oh, yes, exactly. That's exactly how I feel about this video right now. But yes, you're the bad mother in the room. Yes, I see you, Lay. He go on the street, he turn hood, he be dabbing and shit, all them outfits, the shoelaces, everything. I just Yeah, y'all already know how I feel about this video. You did that, Lay, you did that. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a nice thumbs up. If you want to see more ghettoness and ratchetry from your boy, then just hit that subscribe button up. Drop a comment in the comment section below, guys. I want to know your thoughts. How did you feel that Lay came through with this video and the visuals and the dance routine and the every motherfucking thing, y'all? Because I just want to know, because I'm nosy like that. Also, after you subscribe to me, make sure you hit that cute notification bell up so you don't miss out on any of the boys' shit. Also, follow your boy on Instagram and Twitter, because your boy be active on both of those social outlets. And also, YouTube takes forever in the motherfucking day to upload my shit. So by the way, if you want to see updates before it goes up, then just follow either one of those. It's fine with me, girl. Just hit your boy up. Call me, beat me, if you want to reach me. I'm best splashing up my bathroom. But yeah, other than that, it's a wrap. Don't let another bitch, oh shit, I skipped the sentence. Rewind. But yeah, other than that, it's a wrap. Be true to yourself, that's the sentence I skipped. Don't let any other bitch tell you otherwise of what you can and cannot do. And you know, just be you, you know, just stay true to yourself. And Lay, you be doing the most, but I love it, I f***ing love it. And yeah, goodbye. I'm gonna dab my way out of this video now.
Pray for the, I tell all my, rake it up, break it down, bag it up. Bag it up, 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 rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my what? Rake it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just a race with China. Brought the race to China, just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick, smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out. Turn your goofy dog, pow. I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw fits on it. I'ma bust it open.